Lesson 6. The Revolt of 1856. Hero of the Revolt of 1857. Rani Lakshmibai, Begum Hazrat Mahal, Tatya Tope, Nana Sahab, Bahadur Shah Jafar, Kumar Singh, Mangal Pandey, etc. The causes of the revolt 1857. General cause, immediate cause. General cause, economic, political, social, religious, and the military cause. First cause, the social and religious causes. The British had abandoned its policy of non-interference in the socio-religious life of the Indian. Abolition of Sati, Hindu Widow Remarriage Act are the example. Christian missionaries were allowed to enter India and carry on with their mission. Economic cause, second, British rule led to breakdown of the village self-sufficiency, commercialization of agriculture, which burdened the peasantry, adoption of free trade, imperialism from 1800, deindustrialization and drain of wealth, all of which led to overall decline of Indian economy. Cause, military causes. The extension of British dominion in India had adversely affected the service condition of the sepoy. They were required to serve in area away from their homes without the payment of extra allowance. An important cause of military discontent was the General Service Enlistment Act 1856, which made it compulsory for the sepoy to cross the sea. Political causes. The last major extension of the British Indian territory took place during the time of Dalhousie. Dalhousie announced in 1849 that the successor of Bahadur Shah II would have to leave the Red Fort. The Nawab and Raja had started losing honor and authority since the mid 18th century. Doctrine of lapse and the subsidiary land system seized the power and dignity of the Indian princely state. Immediate cause of the revolt 1857. The introduction of infield rifle in the army was the immediate cause, because to load the rifle, sepoy had to wet the cartridge open to release the powder. And in January 1857, a rumor spread like wildfire in the Bengal regiment that the cartridge were greased with the fat of cow and pig, with the deliberate aim of deafening the Hindu and Muslim alike. And aftermath and the change of after 1857. Some important change are the British Parliament passed a new Act 1858 and that transferred the power of East India Company to the British Crown. And now British Queen or the Crown was the head of India, and the Governor General was renamed as the Viceroy. All ruling chiefs of the country were allowed to pass on their kingdom to their heir, including the adopted son. Again, in short, the revolt of 1857. The first expansion of organized resistance was the revolt of 1857. It is called the first independent movement of India. It began as a revolt of the sepoy of the company's army, but eventually secured the participation of the masses. Its causes lay deeply embedded in the grievances that all sections of the Indian society. Uprising of 1857 began at Barakpur in Bengal. On 28 March 1857, a sepoy named Mangal Pandey refused to use the cartridge greased with animal fat, and in rebel shot two British officers. He was soon captured and hanged on 8 April 1857. The main center of the revolt, Meerut, Delhi, Kanpur, Awadh, Calcutta, and the Bihar. That's all. Thank you.